iba hindi. Can you explain that?
Well, actually, the question of emissions applies to all vehicles, not just motorcycles. Sa motorsiklo ho, since we use smaller engines, smaller displacements, the emissions produced is basically smaller compared to larger vehicles. But we do have motorcycles na mataas ho ang kanilang RPM limit, which basically balances it out. But since sa Pilipinas, ang common motorcycle na nakikita natin is the small displacement or the single cylinder or what we call the underbones. In emissions, yan ho ang pinakamababa sa lahat ng sasakyan.
Meron nung nagkomentaryo ng motorsiklo daw, ang makina ng motorsiklo mas maliit. Parang tao na walang sinabi. Kung sino yung walang sinabi sa pinakamaingay.
Actually po, yeah, that's another issue that we're trying to work on with the government agencies. We're trying to change, actually, there has been laws na ginagawa ngayon to control noise emission also.
Question? Mula sa mag-amang Antiforda. Si ano muna, yun mo ng anak, si Jeff.
Kay General Bedoya. Sir, merong inaano ang LTO ngayon, parang pinaplano na i-require ang mga riders na magsuot ng reflectorized vest tuwing sasakay ng motorsiklo. Sa tingin nyo, okay ba sa inyo to?
Well, hindi ko alam kung meron but that will be a very good move, no? Kasi dapat